Shalom, this is Yakira with Law Life Israelite School, the first edition of In the Kitchen. Today, I will be preparing a fruit, or what I would say a mixed fruit smoothie, because it's a little bit of all different types of fruits. Okay, let's start off with what do you need first. As you can see, this slide is showing you the different ingredients that you would need in order to put into this mixed fruit smoothie. So we over here with the blender right now. I have everything that is on that list. So now we are going to start to blend. Make sure you put your top on this blender because you can have everything all over. All right, we're blending. All right, so as you can see, it's a good, nice texture. It's already good and blend up. And I'm going to transfer this over here in this nice glass. And you see how nice and smooth it's coming out? So we're going to have us a nice, good mixed fruit smoothie. And I am going to stick an orange slice on here. I tell y'all, this is a good mixed fruit smoothie. Like I say, this is Yakira with Law Life Israelite School, our first edition to In the Kitchen. So, shalom.